Yes. Go on.
Videos like this are pulling in tens of millions of views on social media right now. But guess what? This isn't a real person. It's 100% AI. The realism is crazy, and you can actually make these in under 4 minutes. If you want to learn the best ways to grow with AI, you need to follow along here at AI Vero. Hit that subscribe button right now, and let's jump straight into step number 1. First, head over to ChatGPT to create our base image. We are going to use an image-to-image reference to keep our character consistent, and we'll paste in this exact prompt. An ultra-realistic live TV broadcast screenshot of a man in his late 20s sitting in the crowded stands at a packed Manchester City home football match. He is wearing a vibrant red hoodie and a dark charcoal gray baseball cap with green stitched text on the front. He is leaned back slightly in his stadium seat, caught off guard by the broadcast camera with a surprised, wide-eyed expression and slightly parted lips. The background shows thousands of blurred fans in a mix of sky blue jerseys and casual winter jackets. In the top left corner, a realistic digital scoreboard graphic reads MCI 2-0 RBL. Authentic telephoto sports camera look, live football broadcast aesthetic, realistic stadium lighting, natural skin texture, broadcast compression artifacts, shallow depth of field, candid moment, ultra detailed, cinematic realism, 4K television resolution, high fidelity details. Check the description below for the full prompt. As you can see, the result looks incredible. Now, let's head over to our first video creation tool. It's completely free and gives you some starting credits. The tool is called Video.inu. Simply sign in, select the image to video option, and upload the image we just generated as your reference. Next, paste in this motion prompt. A slow-motion live TV broadcast camera pan across a crowded football stadium stand during a Manchester City match. The camera smoothly tracks and locks onto a young man wearing a red hoodie and a gray cap with green stitched text on the front. He notices himself on the giant stadium jumbotron, and his expression instantly changes from casual to a surprised, smiling laugh as he points up at the screen. The surrounding crowd of fans react dynamically, cheering and clapping around him. Authentic telephoto lens. To save your credits, make sure to select the 4-second duration option. Hit Generate. Wait a couple of minutes for it to render, and let's look at the final result.
Oh my God!
The result looks absolutely awesome! Next, we're going to use a second AI tool to generate another clip. But before we do that, let's head back over to ChatGPT to create our second base image. Make sure to use the exact same reference image as before so our character stays perfectly consistent, and paste in this prompt. A slow-motion live TV broadcast camera pan across a crowded football stadium stand during a Manchester City match. The camera smoothly tracks and locks onto a young man wearing a red hoodie and a gray cap with green stitched text on the front. He notices himself on the... Awesome. This result looks great. Let's move on. Now, our second tool is called Visina.ai. Simply sign in and you'll get 10 free credits right off the bat. Go ahead and select the video option. Upload the new image we just generated and add this motion prompt. A handheld, realistic live television broadcast video clip. To make sure we have enough credits, select the 480p resolution option and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds for it to cook, and let's check out the result.
What a goal! What a performance!
Honestly, for 480p, the result looks absolutely incredible. Now for our third and final tool. Before we jump in, we need to head back to ChatGPT one last time to generate our final sample image. Paste in this prompt. Ultra-realistic live TV broadcast screenshot of a football fan sitting in the crowd at a Manchester City home. Look at that. This image came out absolutely perfect. Next, we're going to use Flow to access the Veo 3 video generation model, where you'll have plenty of free credits to work with. Upload the final image we just generated. And go ahead and paste that exact same detailed prompt into the video generation box. Let's hit Generate, wait a moment for it to finish, and let's check out the final result.
Yes! Gone! Get in!
Wow, that looks stunning. The movement and the broadcast realism are next level. And that is exactly how you create a viral stadium broadcast video in just 4 minutes using AI. If you want to keep mastering these trending AI workflows and grow your social media fast, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.